Welcome back, builders. Today, we're making a custom wooden coffee table. A simple yet stylish piece that you can build in just a weekend. Whether you're new to woodworking or experienced, this project is beginner-friendly and rewarding. Here's what you'll need. 4 wood boards for the tabletop, 4 sturdy legs, wood screws, clamps, a saw, drill, sander, and your choice of wood stain or paint. Having the right tools ready makes this project smooth and stress-free. Measure your boards carefully. For this table, we'll cut 4 legs at about 18 inches, a tabletop about 36 by 20 inches, and 2 support beams underneath. Remember the golden rule, measure twice, cut once. Next, sand down every piece. Start with coarse grit to remove rough edges, then finish with fine grit for a smooth surface. This step ensures a professional look and keeps your furniture safe to touch. Now let's assemble the frame. Position 2 support beams parallel to each other, then attach the legs at each corner. Use clamps to hold everything tight while you drill screws. Take your time. A solid base is the key to a sturdy table. Place your tabletop face down, then center the frame on top. Drill up through the supports into the tabletop. This method hides the screws, giving your table a cleaner, professional look. Now for the fun part, finishing your table. Apply wood stain evenly with a brush or cloth, wiping off excess for a natural look. Once dry, add a protective clear coat for durability and shine. Choose a color that matches your home decor. And here it is, your very own custom coffee table. Strong, stylish, and built with your own hands. A perfect centerpiece for your living room, made with pride and creativity. If you enjoyed this build, hit subscribe for more DIY woodworking projects every week. Drop a comment with your next project idea, and don't forget to share your own builds with us. Happy woodworking!